It was conceived by the need to build a brand of unique Ceylon tea. So the word Heladiv is derived from the word Heladiva, which was the term used by the nationalists during the colonial uprising to refer to the motherland. So that much of passion is involved in the branding. So we are bringing to the world the tropical warmth, eastern hospitality, and the mountain fresh tea through this brand concept. So that is the meaning of the brand, which was launched in 1998. So as a commercial venture. So now we are registered in about 40 countries globally, and we have finished our first stage of registration with after 10 years. Now the brand has been activated. So now we are looking at turbocharge improvement to where we have built our basics or the foundation. I used Heladiv to showcase the value of tea in terms of variations, flavored teas, iced teas, then tea waste products. Now we are doing a tea extraction product which will go into industrial applications in the form of a tea concentrate. So hopefully in the next few months we'll be doing our first shipment after we commercialize the plant. So on and so forth. So it's a unlimited options out of tea showcased through the brand Heladiv. A small portion of it, around 70 to 100 million, we used to mop up short-term loans to strengthen the cash flow. Then another 60 to 70 million used for improving the working capital. The rest we are using for expansion and the product development. For instance, the commercialization of the iced tea plant I discussed, that process has started. Then we also mentioned in our IPO about the tea cafe concept. So hopefully the first cafe which will be the headquarters for our worldwide franchise will be called the Heladiv Tea Club, HTC, will become a reality in August or September. So all the basic plans have been done. I just don't want to give you insight of where it's coming. This is a very central point. It will be a brand new tea experience, hitherto not experienced by anyone in Sri Lanka. Going to make it a very exciting activity-based operation. Now when you think of tea, you always look at the thirst quencher. But when you look at coffee, you look at a happening thing. Sure. So now we want to exceed even the coffee happening concept to bring tea into it. And HTC will not only serve tea, we will also give coffee. Because somebody goes to a cafe and asks for a cup of tea, his friend may want a cup of coffee. So we are going to fulfill that need as well, but it's primarily tea-based. Where even you can watch the latest stock exchange news, latest things happening on very large LCD screens. You can even conduct a small board meeting where we'll have a boardroom for special functions where you can book it and have special events, or your very important business discussions in the center of the city, close to the stock market, close to happening places. And maybe you can take a gift pack from the shop, or you can place orders for whatever you want to be delivered, home delivered in any part of the world. So that kind of unlimited variety options, tea based. So that is what we are going to give. And we won't stop at that. We also plan to have tea ceremonies like the Chinese tea ceremony, the Japanese tea ceremony, and ceremonies from the Middle East and all parts of the world to be showcased in Sri Lanka from time to time to get people involved in this tea, and also to show them that tea is just not the cheap beverage. It has much more value, tradition, health benefits, and involvement and activity. Now we have teamed up with the beauty care company to use some of our tea extracts, which we are not using for consumption, like as a drink, but which we have what we call a tea cream to be used for applications in the beauty care industry, like the facial applications for facial mask, then tea mouthwash, then hair applications in tea shampoos and the skin treatment. So that kind of thing, as well as our famous tea bath, which we are already marketing. We may want to use it under a separate brand segment and brand category as opposed to Healthy. So towards that we have already entered into a MOU with a sister company within our large group of operations to develop particularly tea-based application. The tea bath is already out that we are showcasing, we are selling in some parts of Central America, in Belize as well as in China. We have even discussed with Shiseido to incorporate the tea bath concept which they are testing out. Then the tea mouthwash, similarly we are already marketing in very small quantities as test marketing. We have been doing it for the last 2 years. So these will come out as large scale commercial products. The other products will be test marketed during the next 1 year in commercial runs, and that will be based on the cream we derived after the separation of fully dissolving tea beverage particles from the tea extraction.